So today I'd like to have a conversation with Aiden about why this home chose a large pet door for small dogs. We've got 3 tiny dogs and a large pet door. Why do you think they did that?
Well, the reason is because, well, they have these 2 little Dachshunds. They're 2 dogs, and they like going to the door at the same time. They're like twins. So when they go through the pet door, they'll be going at the same time. So that's why they bought a large for small dogs.
Now,
so it could fit 2 small dogs.
Sorry to interrupt, but yes, I think because if you look at this door, they're running through at the same time. So the customer was basically saying, well, they do that anyways. Let's go ahead and just buy a large, and hopefully they're going to go through at the same time. Now with the rubber flap,
We'll see what happens.
We'll see. Yeah. So we're going to give it a shot. We're going to do some training today. Okay. You want to get started?
Let's get started.
All right. Sounds good.
Yeah, that's how you know that he's alpha. They're cleaning him. He's like, hey. He got spunk. Oh, they want the toy. Oh, he wants the toy.
Give that video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you guys.
Comment. If you have any questions, ask Aiden. Put them in the comments. Check it out. So I hope the customer
enjoys this.
Yeah, I hope he enjoys it. Yeah.
No, well, not the customer, the dog will.
Well, I hope. Yeah. Of course. Oh, the dogs are barking. Hey guys, how are you? We brought you a gift. I'm Steve.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. This is Aiden.
Howdy.
Nice to meet you, Eddie.
See you.
So we brought them a little something. You want to check it out?
Oh, thank you. Look, Cicely, Maui.
Do they like to?
Look, little toy. Huh? Who wants some chicken? Huh? Look. Now your little toy. Grab it. Look at your little toy, grab it. Flying pig. Look, flying pig. You want a Maui? He's like, I already got mine.
And just pull it out and then flip it over to show the color. So it's always going to be white. Okay, there's no color to these, but if you notice, matching color here, matching color here. Give it a shot with the dogs, right?
Let's get started.
This is a moment of what?
Moment of truth.
Okay, so to train the dogs, we're going to first remove literally the locking. Well, you normally keep this inside, okay? Not outside, it's wood. It will get damaged in the rain. So the best place to keep it is in the house. Okay, so I'm just gonna set it here. There. Okay, and then the door will open like that. Now they're gonna be a little afraid of it, so you're gonna let them come smell it. It's first thing, making sure they understand what it is. It's for them to come in and out. Let's go ahead and push it. Here you go. Over here. Look, come through. Come through though. Aiden, you do it on that side?
Good.
Give him another one. Get the toy. I mean the treat.
Hey, come here. Come on. Come on.
All right.
There you go.
Come. The rest of them? Here, see.
Can you go back in? Can you go back in? Come on. Go. Come on. Go. Come on. There you go. Oh.
Coming back in is going to be hard for him.
That's okay.
Now, here's another thing. You may want to, if he's going to have a hard time coming back in, you may want to put a little step here for him. Yeah. Especially because he's older.
So that.
Sure.
So it keeps opening.
Look, you need to push it there. Not do it yet. There you go.
There you go. Look, he's all excited. He's like, I just got 2 treats now.
How about
I'm
the other
all
ones?
excited. Cicely.
He's like,
He's going for it. He really loves him.
Aiden, try to get them through.
Come on, guys.
Maui.
Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Oh, another name.
Cicely.
Cicely. Come on.
Maui. Cicely.
Maui.
Come here.
Come on. Come here. Yeah, you. Hey, you're a pro at this. Yeah.
Here, let's just let him out, and
He's got
we'll
more
keep him over here.
experience. He's got more experience. Come on. Go for it. Go for it. There you go.
Bring him this way.
Hey. There you go.
Gromit, come on. Gromit, come here. Shh, come here. Come here.
They're trying to go through the screen instead of. Come here, Maui. Yum yum.
Come on.
Come here, Maui. Sicily. The little dog.
Go. Come on. It's in there. Come on. You give up. Come here. You want it? Do you want it or not?
Give him one. And then get another. Come here, Maui.
You want it? You want it? Come on. Go for it. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, you want
Come
it?
here, Maui.
Go.
Come here, Sicily.
And then focus. Oh, come on. Hey, come on. Go.
Come here, Sicily. Good boy. Maui, Sicily. Come here, buddy.
Excuse me. I know you smell the bag.
He found the
Gromit found the bag. Gromit, get out of there.
He found the source.
He found the full source.
He's funny. He's great.
He thinks it's
He's a
still in
great
there.
dog.
Gromit, get out of there. That's not yours.
Hey, that's a beagle. That's a beagle nose for you.
It's kind of like what is that?
Take it.
He's gonna go for it. He's like,
He's
oh,
gonna give me the whole bag.
He's gonna go in all on his own. He's like, I got this. He's like, I got this. I may be old, but I got this.
Come here, Gromit.
He's like, I got this. I got this. I can't back out now. There you go. He's got it. There you go. I haven't got any more. Come back.
Go, boy.
All right. Yeah, look what he did.
He's like, hey, don't I get it? The other one's like, I don't
Come here,
know.
Maui. Come here, Maui. Come here, buddy. Come here, Maui. Ow! Gromit.
He got me earlier too.
Come on.
To get your all-in-one sliding screen door with built-in pet door.
Click the link below.
It's good.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's quite nice. Yeah. Come here, guys. Hey, come here. Come here, Maui. Come here, baby.
Go say hey. Go say hey, come on. Come on.
Come here.
Go say hey. Gromit said heck. Yeah,
Maui, come here. Come here, Maui.
the treats.
Gromit.
Gromit's all like, what are the treats?
Come here. Sicily, Maui,
Go
come
say
here.
hey.
Come here. Oh my God.
No, but he jumps out when he gets out there.
So now I'm not eating. Here, come on, your treat. Come here. Come here.
Oh, here. Here's the treats.
Oh, here. Oh, what do I have? Look what I have.
Oh, wow.
Gromit, right here. Right here. Come here.
Hold on.
Right here, Gromit, come on.
If you put it on the floor, he'll jump out. Told you.
Oh, ouch.
Go get it, Maui. Go get a treat. Yum, yum.
Come here.
Go get it, yum, yum.
Oh, look, here you go. Here you go. Come here.
Maui. Get it, Maui, look. Yum, yum.
Maui, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here, Sicily. Here you go. Come here. Hey, come here. Come on. Maui. Come here. Here, look. Come on. Here, guys. Come on. Come on.
Go, boy.
Congratulations, the training is finished.
That is so cute.
Gromit already came
Okay, hold on. Let's make him go through. Let's go. Come here, guys. Come on.
He came inside many times.
Come on.
Come here, buddy.
No, let it. Just
Other
make
way.
him push it. Let him push it.
I'm not sure they're ready for that.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not.
No.
Come here. Hey.
Just pull. Just.
Okay, come here, guys. Come on, Maui. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Good babies. Good babies.
They will get there.
Hey.
Go, Sicily.
Get your birdie. Come on, get your birdie.
Go out there, Sicily.
Grab it.
Maui eventually follows Sicily.
Yeah. Gromit, that's a big jump for him.
But he did jump. We put
He
it.
can't do anything for food though.
We put a little treat out there. He was jumping through. Go out there, Maui. Good boy, Maui.
So I guess the one thing that we did learn today, training small dogs, it's not as easy as larger dogs, especially dogs that are like the Australian Shepherd, because those dogs are very trainable. They're working dogs. These are also really good breeds. I know the Beagle is a working dog as well. I'm not sure about the Dachshunds, what their job is, but
Their job is to hunt and get badgers out of holes.
so they're a little intimidated because of the rubber flap. But I mean, eventually, I know that they'll just go right through. They'll go in and out, especially the Beagle. But the Dachshunds are having a little hard time with it because they're so low to the ground. It's a little more difficult to go through. You know, they're low riders.
Yeah, they're great dogs.
Yeah, they're great dogs. They'll do great.
It's a little difficult because they're smaller.
And we're here. We're very intimidating to them. So, but until then, guys, you know, thank you very much. Take care. God bless.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Catch you
Take
next
care.
time. See ya.